Do you want to find the absolute newest extensions available for Joomla 4? In this video, I'm going to show you a tip how you can do that, because you can't filter for them on the Joomla extensions directory website just yet. Hey there, Joomla fans. Tim Davis here. I'm a Joomla fan too. Thanks for tuning in to Maintenance Monday number 207 here on the Basic Joomla Tutorials YouTube channel, where I show you my favorite extensions, tools, and tips for building and maintaining Joomla sites. This video is brought to you by mysites.guru. Head on over to mysites.guru, get a free site audit for your Joomla site, and while you're there, check out the information and tools that will save you time and money managing that Joomla site or multiple Joomla sites. And if you decide to subscribe, use the coupon code BASICJoomla and you'll get your first month free. All right, so why would you want to look for the absolute newest extensions available for Joomla 4? Why not? Might be fun just to take a break from your work and see what's new. Might give you some ideas for your site, something that you can do. So let's turn our attention to the screen. Now you see, here is the traditional way that you would go and search for extensions in Joomla. Go to extensions.joomla.org. I'll put the link in the description below. And you can look for categories. Now, something that I've never really paid too much attention to, you can actually filter these extensions as well, not just by categories, but you can go up here and you can view the top rated, most reviewed, new, recently updated, and compatible with Joomla 4, with J4. So for instance, if we look at the newest ones, we'll see here's a list of the newest extensions available for Joomla, and the newest one right now is JC Help Desk, and it's for Joomla version 3. Now, this video is about finding the latest, greatest ones, or actually the newest ones for Joomla 4. There is a drop down here, and you can select compatible with J4, but then what happens is it goes to the default presentation of the most highly rated or most highly reviewed. I can't tell which because they tend to go down in order of, well, they're all highly rated 100%. Anyways, there's no way on the JED right now that you can filter for the latest extensions for Joomla 4 only. But here's how you can do it. Log into the back of your Joomla 4 site, which I have already done. You'll see I have some updating to do. There'll be some videos coming. Click on System. Go to the install area and extensions, and now you will see if you go to the install from web tab, and I already have that open from practicing for this video, you have two options. You can search for the current Joomla version, which in this case of course is 4, or all Joomla versions, but now, so we're searching for 4, now you can also search for by reviews, by score, by name, newest first, or recently updated. And this will give you a list. So by selecting this first, you'll see the newest extensions that are for Joomla 4, the brand spanking newest here that you will get from the Joomla extension directory. And of course, if you click on this to read more information, then it will show you information right off of the JED. Now you can also, if you want, go read it on the JED. Right there, just by clicking. And there's your information. Look at that. Added October 28, 2021. This is November 2nd. It actually should be November 1st because that's the Monday, but I'm always late lately. Or you can go to the developer website. You have tools here. But anyways, I hope that was helpful. Hey, if I can help you, feel free to reach out if you want to have some help with your site. You're looking for someone to hire or work on your Joomla site for you, even just temporarily, drop me an email, tim@cybersalt.com. All right, so I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please subscribe, ring the bell to get notifications and new things happening on the channel. And until the next time, enjoy your Joomla sites, and God bless.